Nihon. Nihon is mean basics or fundamentals or the basis of, or you can say about the foundation. By the meaning we use with Nihon is mean the basics, something the really basic or the foundation. We use Nihon. In here we have the example like 基本的な知識が必要です。基本的な知識が必要です。which means it is necessary to have the basic knowledge. 基本的な知識。基本的 is mean the basics, right? 知識 is mean the knowledge. So when we put 基本的な知識 is mean the basic knowledge. That's the very low basic knowledge that you have to know to do something. For example, if you want to learn Japanese, you have to know the basic knowledge, such as you should know hiragana, right? The first thing you should know hiragana and katakana, and after that you learn kanji. So you should know how to read the hiragana and how to write hiragana, and then katakana, and after that kanji. And after that you should know the meaning and how to read each kanji. That's called knowledge, right? But the basic is about how to read and write hiragana. So that is the basic knowledge. So we can say like 基本的な知識。日本語を勉強するのに必要な基本的な知識は何ですか？日本語を勉強するのに必要な基本的な知識は何ですか？ Which means, if you want to learn Japanese, what is the basic knowledge that you have to know?